You know, I was so ready to go out and make car content, and then we just all got busy, so I had to return it.
Should have kept it.
Yeah, I was so torn, Doing the whole thing, you know.
Prednisone freaking screwed up my body. It held it back pretty good.
Don't put that bad baby in there.
Oh, sorry.
Gotta get that boat.
The steering wheel's about ready to freaking kill itself. I don't even think it's this either. It might be
About ready to fall off before it's even taken off.
Hold on, I'll verify. I'll probably find one video. You know what gear models are the same?
I'm actually glad I'm changing this because look, right here. You know, I'll bring the light in front. You see this crack?
Whoa.
That crack here, and then there's another crack. This is probably my most concern. Is this freaking? I don't know how far it goes through.
Pretty bad crack.
Yeah.
Where's the other one?
That. And then you got all these fractions and the fractures in the actual decoration piece, but it's a pretty mangled up steering wheel, without a doubt.
Yeah, it is.
I'll just do this right here. See if we can actually figure out how to take this steering wheel off. This is going to be a project and a half. Am I tightening or loosening? Tightening, freaking retard.
Whoa!
I was making.
Trying to strip it.
Yep.
Strip.
That just means it was loose.
Dang.
Fine, I probably stripped
It was wiggling. Ain't that much darker.
Dude,
What?
this side was finger tight.
Finger tight?
Literally didn't even touch it with the freaking wrench. Just took it off with my hand.
Dang.
Wow. That means they probably manufacture these pretty quickly, didn't they? Wait, don't you press the darn thing? Oh wait, that's all connected with each other.
There's a spring or something in here.
Well, be careful because of its clock spring. Unless
No, it's a clip. There we go. I'll just rip the wire out.
Well.
Oh.
I don't need it.
Well, now you don't got a horn.
Well, he did.
Oh no.
No, you can't. Pathetic. Again. Oh, that's stuck in there. I'm gonna need this anyway, so leave it. Okay.
We gotta make sure there's nothing else connected.
Oh, there's not. Do you see anything else connected?
No. Yours looks like it's more. Try.
Well, I can't really.
Yours got nowhere to hit, unlike my car where it's freaking.
Oh, was it? I never looked behind the steering wheel. I always just drove it.
Oh.
They always say work smarter, not harder, but sometimes you just gotta work a little harder. With this steering wheel, you don't even need to work that hard. You just need some geometry. Try pushing one side and pulling the other, kind of like you're taking off the tire. Got a piece of wood on the back of the tire.
They really just locked in there that tight?
Yeah, they really are that locked in there that time.
Imagine if they locked this one.
I don't want to break the clock spring. I don't even think I have a clock spring. I don't think it really matters anyway. Freaking broke the wire.
Well, now I got no one to honk with. You know,
It's okay. I can always install a switch.
I'm gonna go search a little deeper, alright guys?
How you look?
I'm gonna see if I can find more
Love
information.
yourself.
What this?
Jesus, man. Yeah, no, this one might actually need the steering wheel extractor. Which is kind of sucky, because you put a bolt in there, put a bolt in there, and then you just... I should probably see how much one cost. So if we're gonna do more than my car, it would be a bad idea just to buy one. Stop.
Who knows if we all need one. Ew, pineapple, she's so sweet.
Oh wow, that is not really making it great. Oh, they're different sizes. Okay.
Bruh.
Break it.
Not gonna lie, it's a little hard to see.
Because of all the lights being behind it.
There we go.
Big old freaking impacts. Ooh.
Frick you, stupid. You don't need it.
Dude, that is so easy. Already off.
Yay. Okay, buddy.
Beamer.
That's all that it was. We're just stuck in there, huh?
Yeah, go ahead and give me those now. Oh.
Got it.
No idea what I just pulled out, but I pulled something out. Oh. Oh, so that's where that goes.
Almost dropped.
My crash ring. I'm like leaving you there.
Yeah, I'm like, do I gotta set this down?
So you can give me that too. I just have it over here. Oh, I need to put this, yeah.
Almost freaking dropped it, bro. Lucky I have decent reaction time.
So, I'm not gonna have a horn anymore for the sole reason of my wire ripped out. So, no point in having this. I'll keep them nearby, but yeah, no. Let's see which way this goes.
You don't need a horn.
Oh, that's so satisfying.
Is it already connected?
Yeah, see how it slides on right there perfectly? Oh yeah, dude. And the bolt is still... Do I have enough thread? Oh yeah. I'm hitting the clock spring. This edge piece right here. Oh, it's not the clock spring. What is this? It's covered? It's gotta be, yeah.
Bruh.
Fit! Just stabbed my hand, by the way.
Huh?
So I just stabbed my hand with my freaking knife.
Bruh. Told you to be careful.
Okay. It's chilling. Oh, dude. Oh, yeah.
Oh, dude.
It actually works.
The bolt's still on. Let me see. Bruh.
Got a good old... It might have fit too perfectly. I'm gonna do this by hand actually. I'm not gonna impact that on. How's that feel? Oh yeah. not going anywhere. The
good old tappy tap.
now for the rear force.
And now for the big one. Oh, here it is.
Good old Gen 2. Gotta do it at least once for the boys.
Oh, wait. Pussy.
Okay. But
Pussy is pulsing.
this one's definitely gonna take a minute though. Damn, I'm gonna take the back off. I was one tooth off to the side. Look, sideways. I gotta take it back off, move it, put it back on.
Dang, bro.
You don't have to record. It's fine. It's aight.
Part 2.
We're back.
We're
This
back
time-
in them business.
I'm gonna actually see how far I can go by hand. That was on one. Let me see. What it feels like. That hurts. And I'm pretty sure if I have on one, it only goes to about 250 pounds. So it's something crazy for a steering column. Still goes to the side. Now here comes the long part. Hooking everything up. I'm probably gonna take out that wire and these wires. So I'm not gonna be using them.
Just for the horn,
Yeah. No, I'll just leave them. It's fine.
just in case.
If I ever do hook it up, yeah. If I ever figure out how to hook it up, considering I friggin' ripped the wires out. Not on purpose. Old car things, look at,
Yeah.
like, they're riveted onto the frickin' to that steering wheel. And there's no definition between ground and positive, but I'm pretty sure that the wire that's riveted to the actual steering wheel is ground. So, it's quality on the road. Oh, yeah, this is a kind of late, but steering wheel install for a 1984 Oldsmobile Delta 88. This, the hub adapter I'm using is a 170H. It is, you can use it pretty much on any GM products, Dodge products from I think it was 62 to 1992. They gave you a very loosely sized Allen key for this. Like, I think, yeah, look at, you see this gap in here? How it's kind of got a little bit of gap right there, see it?
Mm-hmm.
Shouldn't be able to see that. They
Should be snug in there.
Oh yeah, they give you the wrong size.
Like, yeah, you can put it all together yourself, but you're gonna hate yourself doing it.
Pretty much. Yeah, I'm gonna freaking strip out one of these. Or I'm gonna strip the actual tool, depending on the quality of it. And it's not great by any means. But I'm just trying to put it in the wrong way. Don't question my means.
You know what you're doing, bro?
Sometimes.
Just don't question it.
Pretty much. I don't have a steering wheel yet, so don't judge me. Steering wheels are expensive.
Can only afford so much at a time, bro.
Yep, there goes the tool. Just stripped. Look at it. See it? How it's like completely destroyed. No.
Yep.
Yeah. They give you too small of a tool, so I'd recommend you have your own Allen key set. Pretty sure I do. somewhere in this garage.
But we're lazy.
I'm actually gonna see.
Lazy today.
See if the one they give me is the right size. Energy. If it is, I'll be happy. Which I don't think it is. But... Oh, perfect fit.
No looseness?
No, not as much. It's actually near the size. See? Way better.
Yeah, a lot better.
Going through, rechecking all my torque. My Yankum Yeetums. Torchmans. All good. Then, you know, you would obviously hook this up to a steering wheel, but all in all, it's as easy as I'll do it. Come on. I can't find it. Oh,
You practice so much.
nice.
You better redo it.
Boom. Got the ding.
There we go. There we go.
Also, quick release tip. Don't spin that ish, bruh.
Do not spin it.
When you see them TikToks where they're like, oh, boom, put it on sideways, and they spin, and then it dings. These little divots in here, you're wearing the absolute living hell out of them every single time. Because that's steel, and that's aluminum. Which one's harder? You tell me.
Iron sharpens iron. What happens when iron hits stone? It dulls.
You break.
Same concept, bro. Just don't spin it. Hit that bit a little bit to the left and click that bit over. You're gonna hit it. Should only be about like, instead of here, it should be like here.
You'll get that nice ding every time.
Every time. And you won't be destroying your quick release. See?
Oh,
Okay.
kinda bad.
Well.
Sometimes it's dog, sometimes it's...
They see, that's how it should sound every time. That's how
Well, that's how you install a quick release on an old car.
without the wheel.
Without the wheel.
This will be the only tutorial you receive without the wheel.
Yeah. What the wheels pretty much...
Part 2 will be coming when we get the wheel.
Yeah, which will probably be next week.
Then you're gonna get a part 3 and 4 when I do mine.
When he does his on his...
No, we don't say anything yet. We don't say
We don't even
anything.
got a channel yet, bro. What are you saying?
Hey, we ain't saying shit, bro. We ain't even got a channel. We ain't saying shit.
Yeah, this is just... Added security in a car this old. Didn't even come with the freaking airbag, so it's not like changing out the freaking steering wheel and adding a quick release is gonna bring me any danger. Like literally, like this is the steering wheel.
Really, like that's it. There was just a cover.
Yeah, you got the
Over it.
4 buttons right there, and that was...
No padding at all. If he got into a car crash, the steering wheel would do more damage to him.
This is the cover.
Yeah.
For that.
And needless to mention, he ripped the
Positive
horn
on accident.
out. So he no longer is going to use a horn.
For now.
But
Until I can figure out how to hook this all back up. But
we have to resolder it.
most likely. Which is cool.
Learn how to solder. Not too hard. That's probably like a 15-minute fix, but will take you 15 minutes to get
the
into
padding
it.
in there is literally just foam. Like you see it. Yeah, I'm trying to put it in the light. You see that back here? It's behind that metal piece. See it? All Satan, that's all the padding I get.
Yep, this stuff right back here.
Son of a biscuit, I'm dead.
Literally.
Imagine. Me.
What you gonna do with that? You gonna try to steer this?
No, it's already oiled.
You ain't gonna be able to, bro. Good luck. That's all I'm gonna say. If you do, you earned it. You earned it.
You earned it. You earned a
You-
pipe beat. freaking
Delta 88. I thought that was the glass.
tool.
Luckily not.
She kind of dirty.
But it's a project. Projects normally look bad before they're done. It's all good though. Trust the process.
Trust that.
Bitch gonna get painted soon.
Hopefully.
Ain't no hopefully, bro. It is. What happened? You pulled the rest of the lights.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's see my hand burn.
Wish you could hold on actually.
What?
It's not that bright.
Bliss.
We gonna have some good project cars up in your bed soon, bro. You just looked at the sun.
Pretty much.
Jesus, why would you do that?
You know, I was doing it for the money.
Let's see. Ugh, this is what they be. You know, you got the 80s, and then you got this. Don't let it get hurt, then, bro. Well, tutorial 1 is completed. Results, success.
I wasn't expecting it to work.
Honestly, we literally got it and we were like, well, let's go take this apart and see if we can actually put it on here. And it did. It did.
The hub, the short hub is a Kyostar short hub, and obviously that is a Gen 2 energy quick release. That's why you get the nice.
Can you get some light down here so I can see right there?
I can't see it.
Goddamn, bro, you need that hot ass light on my motherfucking bare ass skin, boy. God damn.
I'm over here holding it.
Right.
Burning my hand the whole time.
NRG, you got NRG Innovations. Just the proof. We ain't capping out here. If you can't afford it, get up out the way.
Bro, it was literally $80.
Yeah, if you can't afford it, stop looking at quick releases.
Bro, if you can't afford gas, stop upgrading your car.
Literally.
Well, right now it's understandable considering gas is at an all-time
At a
high.
Biden high. It's actually been
Pretty decent lately.
well, just under $3 has been nice
Really
to
good,
us.
yeah.
Cause we were just at what, $3.45 the other day?
$3.35.
Something like that. Something stupid.
I paid $20 for like 5 gallons of gas.
It's half your tank.
Dude, I really hope gas goes down because filling this car is gonna suck.
How big is this tank?
24 gallons.
24 gallons? Oh my god. It's 10 more gallons than the car I'm trying to get.
Oh, it really is.
I really do want to at least tell them what kind of car I want to get, but I don't want to say it and then jinx it.
1991 Toyota.
It's a 1991 Toyota. That's all.
That's all you get.
That's all you gotta know. Let your imagination run wild from there. Let's just say we all gonna be rolling in old style.
Old school.
And I am getting a quick release for mine too. Didn't we say that earlier? Yeah, getting a quick release.
We're probably gonna buy like a quick release steering wheel kit, so then I can get the wheels. He can get his quick release, and then he's probably gonna buy a different wheel.
Yeah. Just to make it cheaper. But